What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable debug logging for ads in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and here click on more privacy settings and then click on ads. Now scroll down and here you will see a enable debug logging for ads button. So if you want to enable the debug logging for ads, then turn on this button and tap on confirm. And if you want to disable the debug logging for ads, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable debug logging for ads in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.